Welcome, dear viewers, to our exciting journey through a world of captivating front wall tile ideas. Whether you're a homeowner seeking to elevate your curb appeal or an enthusiast of architectural design, you're in for a treat. Join us as we unveil a myriad of creative possibilities that will transform your front wall into a stunning canvas of style and charm. From classic elegance to modern innovation, each tile suggestion is carefully curated to inspire your imagination. Get ready to discover the perfect blend of aesthetics and functionality, where every tile tells a story and every design choice speaks volumes about your unique taste. So, let's dive into the realm of front wall tiles and embark on a visual adventure that promises to ignite your passion for exterior design. Welcome, and let the inspiration flow. Certainly, here are some front wall tile ideas that you might find appealing for various styles and aesthetics. Classic elegance. Use neutral colored tiles like marble or travertine in shades of white, beige, or cream for a timeless and sophisticated look. Incorporate decorative border tiles or intricate patterns to add a touch of elegance. Modern minimalism. Opt for large format tiles in solid colors like gray, black, or white to create a sleek and minimalist front wall. Consider using porcelain or ceramic tiles with a matte finish for a contemporary feel. Rustic charm. Choose textured tiles that imitate natural materials like stone or brick for a rustic and warm appearance. Earthy tones like terracotta, brown, or burnt orange can enhance the rustic feel. Mediterranean flair. Use vibrant, patterned tiles with intricate designs that evoke a Mediterranean or Spanish style. Incorporate colors like deep blues, vibrant yellows, and warm reds for a lively and inviting look. Coastal vibes. Opt for light-colored tiles that resemble beach sand or sea glass to create a coastal ambience. Soft blues, aquas, and greens can complement the coastal theme well. Contemporary geometric patterns. Choose tiles with geometric patterns or tessellations for a modern and visually striking design. Play with contrasting colors to emphasize the geometric shapes. Industrial chic. Consider using concrete look tiles for an industrial-inspired front wall. Incorporate tiles with subtle metallic accents or distressed textures for added character. Artistic expression. Use mosaic tiles to create custom patterns, murals, or even abstract art on your front wall. Express your creativity through a unique combination of colors and shapes. Natural stone appeal. Incorporate natural stone tiles like slate, granite, or limestone for an earthy and textural front wall. The variation in colors and patterns of natural stone can add depth to the design. High contrast drama. Combine dark-colored tiles with lighter grout for a dramatic and eye-catching effect. This approach can work well in contemporary and modern designs. Front wall tiles play a crucial role in enhancing the aesthetic appeal and functionality of a building's exterior. These tiles serve as a vital design element that not only adds visual interest but also contributes to the overall character and personality of the structure. Beyond their decorative significance, front wall tiles offer several important benefits. They act as a protective barrier against external elements, safeguarding the underlying wall from weathering, moisture infiltration, and potential damage. Additionally, front wall tiles contribute to the insulation of the building, helping to regulate temperature and energy efficiency. The choice of tiles can also reflect the architectural style, cultural influences, and personal preferences, thereby creating a distinct and memorable first impression for visitors and passers-by. Well, before you go, dear viewers, don't forget to show your support by hitting that like button, sharing this video with friends and family, and of course, subscribing to our channel for more exciting content. Your engagement fuels our passion to keep creating, so thank you, and remember, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.